Hey guys, it's Sarah with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we have a review and install of the LightBar LED taillights with the black housings and smoked lenses fitting your 16 and newer Toyota Tacoma. This is perfect for the Tacoma owner who wants to upgrade their taillights to an LED and wants a smoked option with a black housing and a plug-and-play install. These taillights feature LED reverse lights, brake lights, and running lights, and being an LED will outlast the life of those factory bulbs and be brighter as well. They are constructed from smoked lenses with black housings and are weather sealed to keep out dust and moisture. So as far as price goes, these taillights come in at around $400 for the pair, putting them about middle of the road price-wise when compared to other options. And for your money, you are getting a fully LED taillight with a nice black design and plug-and-play install. And as far as the install goes, I'm giving this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It does feature a direct bolt-up and plug-and-play install that can be done within 1 hour. So with that said, let's check out our install. For this install, we use an impact gun, but a regular hand ratchet will work just fine. We also use a 10mm socket. All right, so the first step in our uninstall with your tailgate down is you're gonna grab a 10mm socket and remove 2 bolts on the inside of the taillight. The first one to remove will be all the way towards the top of your taillight here. Grab your 10mm socket, go ahead and get it removed. Next up, all the way at the bottom, you'll remove that one as well. Don't confuse it with the 10mm just above it. You wanna go for all the way at the bottom. Then go ahead, grab your taillight and pull it straight back towards you. Next up, you'll disconnect all 3 of these connectors. Just go ahead and press down on the gray tab and pull backwards. And remove the taillight. Now what we need out of our stock taillight are each of these sockets that hold your bulb. So what you're gonna do is twist counterclockwise to remove, grab and remove the bulb, set it aside because you will not be reusing it, just the socket in your new taillight. Repeat that for the rest of the sockets. Removing the bulb after you remove them. And now that you have the sockets removed, go ahead and plug them in to the connectors on your new taillight. Make sure they're all the way seated. And make sure each plug is going in the proper location as to where you removed it. And once you have them plugged in, go ahead and route that wiring into the taillight. Line up the tabs and turn clockwise to seat it. Each of these connectors will have tabs around the outside. And once they're lined up, they will pop in. Make sure you turn it to lock it in place. Now we can get it installed. Now you can plug back in those factory connectors. Make sure you hear a click to know they're properly seated. And once they're in, go ahead and line up the 2 metal tabs at the side of your taillight and press it into place. Now line up the inside of your taillight and thread back in those factory bolts. Then with your 10mm socket, tighten it down. All right, and now that we have our factory taillight uninstalled from our truck, we can check it out side by side with our new taillight here. Now, as you can see, the biggest difference is the design. This new taillight features a black housing with a nice smoked lens, as well as accent LEDs to get you a more modern look to the back of your Tacoma. And in addition, because it is an LED, it's gonna outlast the life of your factory bulbs. So with that said, we're gonna go ahead and finish up our install by repeating all of those steps to install your driver's side taillight. All right, and now that you've installed your driver's side taillight, that is gonna do it for the review and install of these taillights. And remember, for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.